Hey everyone, today we're going to quickly talk about how to log into Quizizz. So your teacher might be assigning you a Quizizz assignment, and you can find that from the link that they send you. So they'll send you a link that says Quizizz game link. So you will click the link, and then you'll enter your name. If you would like the questions read aloud to you, please click this button to make sure the green is on. If you want the music turned off, you can do that. If you want the memes on, make sure it's green. If you want the memes turned off, then make sure it's not checked. And then you'll click Start Game. You can sign up with your Google account, so click Sign Up with Google. This way it'll save your grade so you can go back and see what you got. Say that you're using it for school and that you are a student. Put in your birth date. And then you will click Start Game.
Question. Will the data vary? Option 1, yes. Option 2, no.
If you want to turn Read Aloud off at any point, you can click this button and it'll turn Read Aloud off. You can also turn the music off by clicking the bottom left button. If you want to make your screen full screen, you can click up here and it'll make it full screen. Pay attention to how many questions there are here. It says 22. If you need to pause your game at any time, you can click the pause button. If you need to resume, then you can click Resume Game. If you would like to change the language so that you can see it in your home language, you can change it to Spanish, French, Dutch, any of the ones provided. And then you can click play when you want to resume.
Question. Will the data vary? Option 1, yes. Option 2, no.
Once you finish your game, it will save your grade and your teacher will see what you make.